All right, let's talk about how you can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or vice versa, Fahrenheit to Celsius with an Excel. Now this is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Basically, we're just going to use a formula to do this. So here we have a column of Celsius and a column of Fahrenheit. We want to know what all of this in Celsius equals to in Fahrenheit and vice versa, what all of this in Fahrenheit equals to that in Celsius. So basically what we're going to do is equals, and we're going to use the convert formula. We'll need to select the number that we're trying to convert. So in this case, we want 0 degrees Celsius to be converted to Fahrenheit. Then we'll hit comma, and it's going to be from unit. And in Excel, Celsius is defined by a capital C. So we can do that and then hit comma. And then we can choose here what we want it to be converted into. In this case, we want it to be converted into Fahrenheit, or capital F in quotes. And then we can end parenthesis and hit enter. And that'll do the conversion for us. And then we can simply drag that formula down and it will give us that conversion across here. Now we can do the same thing here when we're converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. We'll do the convert formula, select the number we're wanting to convert. Then we're just going to flip this formula around. It'll be capital F in quotes, and then we'll select Celsius second. Then hit enter, and then we can drag that formula down, and we'll get rid of some of those decimals there. And there you have it. That's how you can convert Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius within Excel. Now, since we have this as a formula, I can go in here and change this to 32, and that will automatically update correspondingly. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and smash the like button before you go. Thank you so much, and just have a great rest of your day.